Uncle Boomer here for Badog brand peanut butter whiskey. Now, the reason I recommend this is trifold or threefold for all you dummies out there. One, it comes with all natural ingredients. You see that? Comes with peanuts, whiskey, and butter. Peanut butter whiskey. Two, I like the way the cork sounds when you uncork this baby. And D, it comes with the hypocritical oath, like the good doctor. Do's no harms. I can drink a half bottle of this in one night. I may slur a little. I may trip and fall into a major appliance or a power tool, but I will not wake up with a headache, indigestion, upset stomach, or diarrhea. It's like a Xanax, a NyQuil, a Benadryl, and a Northern New York corn-fed chick all at once. The first three will knock you out chemically. The fourth one, you'll pass out just from looking at her. So take it from Uncle Boomer and try Berdog's peanut butter peanut butter whiskey.